Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the auto skip error settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now here, we want to go over to the function settings. And here, we need to select the printer. So now, let's select the printer settings. And here we will have the auto skip error, and here we can easily enable it just like that. Now the settings are configured, and if we want to disable it, then we just enter it again and then click on off. Now that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.